Hello. Today we're going to learn about the geography and history of India. India is part of something that's called the subcontinent. And the subcontinent is a group of countries today, like Pakistan, India, Nepal, and Bhutan, which were once separate from the rest of Asia. They were an island, the shape of a diamond, which was moving on a tectonic plate and crashed into the Asian plate, and this formed the Himalaya Mountains. The Himalayas are the highest mountains in the world. Several of the peaks are over 20,000 feet, including Mount Everest. So that's about 4 miles high. So the highest mountains in the world, but they also stretch 1,500 miles long, which is roughly the distance between Boston and Dallas, Texas. So India has a very varied geography. It's an immense country. Again, there are over 1 billion people who live there today. It's the world's largest democracy. The geography has the mountains, rivers, and deserts. And in addition, India is also surrounded by, on the west, south, and east by the ocean, the Indian Ocean, which is made up of the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal. So India was afforded protection by the Himalaya Mountains in history and also by being surrounded by sea. It's not easy for an invader to arrive in India. This allowed India to develop a unique culture and its own civilization dating back 4,500 years to what's called the Indus River civilization. This civilization was founded in the area of today both Pakistan and India, and it was created in an area which had very fertile soil, which allowed the people living there to grow crops such as grain. So the Indus River civilization had some planned cities. A few of the cities that were important were called the Harappa and Mohenjo-daro, and these cities had specialized areas of the city for certain activities. For example, one part of the city had houses and businesses, and another part had areas for grain storage and public buildings. So, planned cities in India date back thousands of years. The roads, which can still be seen by archaeologists today digging, are straight as an arrow, basically intersecting, just like our streets do today in a modern city. So, the